Hello everyone and welcome to SEW-EURODRIVE's How-To series. We're going to be discussing how to maintain and take care of your product. So let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about the different e-learning modules that we make available free of charge to our customers. E-learning modules allow you at your own pace to learn about our various products and applications as well as solutions. To access our e-learnings, all you need to do is go to our website, SEW-EURODRIVE.com. Once you're there, you're going to scroll down to where our DriveAcademy link is. And here you're going to notice that there's an All Seminars and Training button. I want you to click on that. This is going to open up the portal where you can find our e-learnings. If you notice under the videos and tutorials, there is a link to the self-paced online learning modules. Let's click on that, and that's going to open up the e-learning portal. You may have to accept all of the cookies like you do with a lot of websites, but then you're back on the page, and here you have all of the different e-learnings that are available. Now we cover industrial gearing, electronics, decentralized product, and our core product as well. For this example, let's go ahead and go into the Movi-C area. To do that, you're going to click on the link that says Go to the Online Learning Opportunities. This is going to open up another page, and on that page you're going to see smaller modules broken down, and to access them you need to click on the language that applies to you. In this case we have German and English. English is designated by EN, so let's click on that. Now you're at the overview page for this particular module. To get started, all you have to do is click on the play button. And now you're on the beginning of this e-learning. To get started, click on the Start button, and you're going to go through the e-learning to the end. This is how all of our e-learnings navigate. You click on the Start button, you go to the end, and it's going to record your progress. This is helpful because it allows you to be able to go through at your own pace. That module is just like all the other ones as far as navigating through them from start to finish. So whether you're just getting started with SEW products and solutions, or you're very familiar with what we have to offer, these modules are a great way for you to increase your knowledge. If you're interested in learning more about SEW-EURODRIVE's components, products, or solutions, please go to SEW-EURODRIVE.com. Together, we drive the world.